Hi everyone, it's Hustle with Grace and welcome back to my channel. I have an exciting opportunity for you today with CVS. So before we get started, please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you can be the first to hear about these exciting opportunities. So our first opportunity for today is a claim benefit specialist with CVS. To locate the job, you will go to jobs.cvs.com and in the search bar, you will type in the job ID, which I have highlighted right here. So, a claim benefit specialist. This job is fully remote and you'll be working from the comfort of your home. So, the job description, you will review and educate routine Medicare claims on HRP system in accordance with claim processing guidelines. Claims education results should meet and exceed production and quality standards in line with CMS and Aetna compliance and business requirements. So an example of what you'll be doing is you will be approving and analyzing claims that cannot be auto-adjudicated, meaning that claims that can't make an auto decision in the database, you will be going into the database, making sure that customers meet the medical guidelines, determine coverage, complete eligibility verification, and identity discrepancies. So the pay for this opportunity starts at the minimum is $17 and the maximum is $27.90. Just keep in mind you can negotiate for your pay. Some of the required qualifications is as follows: have experience in a production environment, detail and quality oriented, ability to research and work within several computer applications, must have experience in Microsoft Outlook. Some of the preferred qualification is claim processing experience, computer navigation, production and quality background, and Microsoft Office tools. For education, a high school or GED is fine. Just keep in mind for these jobs, CVS will train you before you able to take on the role yourself. I do have some skills that you can add on your resume to make your resume stand out for this position. You can put that you have experience in electronic knowledge, settlement verification, you have experience in the authorization process, personal data and evaluation, also in the policy and procedures. Your resume, make sure that you put that you do have work from home experience so that make your resume stands out as well. So thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye you guys.